祝大家新年快乐，万事如意，心想事成，财源滚滚，心想事成。今天我们来做好一头的烤黑胡椒鸡翅，这个食谱简单易做，是十分美味寓意，展翅高飞。鸡翅像我这样切成3段，小鸡腿也切开，这样易于入味。下调味料，给鸡翅腌制一下，抓匀后放入冰箱内雪藏至少30分钟，越久当然味道更好，更入味哦。腌制好的鸡翅也淋食用油拌一下，然后就可以排在烤盘上了。先把鸡翅蒸烤20分钟，20分钟后给鸡翅翻个面，然后继续烤10分钟。哇，香喷喷的烤鸡翅就做好了，金黄色的鸡翅看了就很有食欲哦。新年就做给家人一起分享吧，当小零食和家人边聊天边吃，真的很棒哦。
祝大家新年快乐！
华人新年又快到了，先祝福大家春节快乐，心想事成，万事如意。今天这个食谱又是另一个大推荐的食谱之一，大家记得要收藏好食谱，要做的时候就可以打开看看了。鸡翅切成3段，然后下调味料腌制入味。烤盘包上铝箔纸，淋食用油，把腌制好的鸡翅放好。鸡翅烤20分钟后翻面，然后继续烤15分钟。鸡翅烤好备用，我们来准备好其余的食材，把该切的切一切。灵魂酱汁也备好，那么炒的时候就可以很简单，不会手忙脚乱了。把食材炒出香味，下烤好的鸡翅一起炒匀，然后倒入灵魂酱汁一起炒。
哇，满屋飘香的，肚子都饿了。
鸡翅做好了，摆盘摆美就可以开吃喽。
这个鸡翅食谱就像吃韩国炸鸡的感觉，真的太好吃了。
Welcome back. It's my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is pumpkin mushroom steamed chicken wings. Hope you like it. Sliced mushroom, chopped ginger. Pumpkin, remove skin and seeds, then diced. Cut chicken wings into small pieces. Seasoning and marinate chicken to taste. Place pumpkin and mushrooms into steam pan, then place chicken at middle layer, and lastly place chopped ginger, pumpkin, and mushroom on top. Steamed chicken, and once it's cooked, and let's enjoy this delicious meal. Give it a try. You'll love it too. Welcome to follow my channel so you won't miss my daily new recipe. There are 3,000 recipes in my channel. Welcome to visit my channel when you need cooking inspiration. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
Please give me a like too, yeah. Thanks so much, my friends.
Yo friends, welcome back. My pleasure having you here. Today's recipe is to homemade healthy version dim sum wonton sum. I hope you like it. Dice spring onion, steam mixed beans, and squeeze out shrimp paste to bowl. Add spring onion and season to taste. Add mixed beans also, then mix well. Brush oil on stem plate and start wrapping siumai by placing meat paste in the middle of wonton skin. Shape it by wrapping all sides in upwards directions. Here you go. Nice siumai is cute. Steam for 15 to 20 minutes. Wow, siumai is cooked. Let's eat. Yummy. It's delicious and healthier as we use lean meat and shrimp for this recipe. Give it a try too. Welcome to follow my channel for daily recipe I upload for free. Do check out my other video too for your cooking inspiration. Thanks for watching and bye bye.
感恩大家点进来我的视频，今天我们来做烤大虾吧，希望大家喜欢。烤大虾，大虾去头，去虾肠，洗净备用。下调味料，调味腌制30分钟。这就是酸椒橄榄油，没有的话食用油也行。这个橄榄油不会辣，但会有一股很香的香味。烤盘铺上铝箔，淋上食用油，把大虾铺在上面，随意撒上辣椒面后送去烤箱180度烤12分钟。哇，橘红色的大虾好好看，这个时候已经闻到香味了。大虾这样做鲜美多汁，很好吃哦，大家也试一试吧。记得要关注我啦，那么就不会错过我每日上传的新食谱啦，不然怕你找不到我了。